So right now our mission is to either help stop or contain the fire that's up here in Mendocino Complex. I'm a native of California, and every year I knew that there was going to be a fire going on, and I always saw the smoke and stuff and saw the firefighters doing the thing. And it's great to actually be out here and be a part of it and help take care of it. So I do believe that the Army has chosen the correct unit to do this. I think that of all the units available to do this, I think that we're the right one. I think it is worthwhile because even though it's not a living enemy with a rifle, it is still an enemy to California and to the United States of America.
So a lot of times on most of the fires that we go to, it's just agency personnel, and we pick them up pretty quick. But then, I mean, this year we've had a lot of massive wildfires that we've needed all hands on deck with, and the military really steps up and gives us the support that we need when all the agency resources start to get stretched thin. And everything from air support with the helicopters that they provide, and the ground, just the boots on the ground with all the personnel that they send to us. So it's really definitely a big relief to have the military helping us out here. Well, they've done great. Everyone that I've talked to is really excited to be here. It seems like they're all eager to work and eager to get plugged in wherever they need to be. And yeah, they've been great so far. I haven't had a chance to work with them too much, but they're definitely asking good questions and going where they need to go, and it's been really cool so far.